Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back again to my channel Nail Vibes. The channel, as you always know, that gives you the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on your time and location. So in case you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded here, you will definitely be the first to be notified. So gorgeous queens, as you can see in this video for today, I have the best combinations of New Year and holiday acrylic nail art designs. These nails are looking just so good and cute. You can rock them to any occasion of your choice. So I urge you to watch the video to the end so that you are not going to miss a single slide. And also, you can pick the best light to make on your nails. And as you watch the video, kindly support it by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones, and you can as well save it for a later use. To you my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to you guys for always coming back to my channel to watch and also engage in my videos. Your effort on my channel is so much appreciated. I so much value your support. So at the end of the video, you can go to the comment section and tell me what you think about this video. Also, if this is not really what you want, you can also go into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can also watch from there and make your choices. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.